and welcome to Disney's Fort Wilderness Resort and Campgrounds.
If you're looking to get outdoors and even camp, this is the place for you.
Here you will discover the charming woodland trails, spectacular pool areas, and lively entertainment at a picturesque backcountry retreat.
We're going to take you to the fully equipped campsites and the cabins, visit Tri-Circle D Ranch, and explore all of the amenities this resort has to offer.
So when you first get to Fort Wilderness, your first stop will be the reception outpost, where you can drive your RV straight up to check in.
That's right, and then we have the lobby right over there where you can actually rent a golf cart. But if you already rented it and you already have a reservation, you can actually pick it up right over there. If you don't have an RV, you can actually just park right over here and then check in right here at the reception outpost.
And this is for if you're staying at one of the cabins or the campsites. This is the lobby of the resort. I love the rustic feels of it. It feels like you're actually in a cabin. There's nods to Huey, Dewey, and Louie, and some of the activities that you'll see here at the resort, like archery.
Yeah, and oh, wait, I think you can actually mail letters to your loved ones by using this one right here. Maybe like, oh, I wish you were here, right?
That's a good idea.
We're here at one of the RV campsites that you can book. You can book the full hookup or preferred campsites for RVs up to 45 feet long.
And for RVs longer than that, there's also premium and premium meadow campsites that accommodate larger ones. And here are some of the hookups for your water and electric and also the black line.
Yeah, and then there's also a space for your barbecue and to have some family dinners too.
And here we are at one of the tent campsites. You can use the gravel to pitch your tent.
Yep, and you also have power, water, a grill, and a picnic table. This right here is one of the multiple comfort stations. You can grab ice from outside, you can do your laundry inside.
There's also restrooms and showers in case you need to freshen up after a long day.
We're here at one of the cabins.
You can fit up to 2 cars here and also plug in your golf cart right over there.
Let's go.
All right.
Each cabin has its own little patio, and you can actually clean off your shoes right here.
There's also a table, some benches, and some chairs for you to just sit and relax and enjoy the nature.
It's so spacious and inviting, right?
Look at the vaulted ceilings.
They're so cool, and the artwork?
I love the decor. It really screams the wilderness.
It does. And now we're gonna make our way into the bedroom, which is so pretty and spacious. So right here we have the bed. This bed looks amazing, but what I really love is all the storage below. So you can really fit a lot of suitcases down there, but also one of my favorite parts is this right here, the reading light. I'm a big reader, so this is amazing. There's also power right here. You can turn on and off your light. The USB ports are right there, the phone. There's a lot of storage space.
And right behind you is a bunk bed. I love the subtle nods to some of our favorite Disney characters right over there. And my daughters, whenever we stay here, always fight over the top bunk. You can see that there are lanterns, and try and turn one on there.
There we go.
It's another reading light for the kids as they're trying to go to sleep. And there's also a USB outlet there for you to charge some electronics.
They also have a lot of storage down here, so look at this. The cabins really do have a lot of storage space. For example, this little nook right here has space for your shoes, for your luggage, a lot of hangers, an extra pillow, and a blanket.
And that's not all. There's additional storage here and your safe, along with additional drawers over here. And right above that is your TV. And a pro tip, you can watch some of the Magic Kingdom fireworks here when you select on demand. So the cabin sleeps 6 people. Behind this couch, you'll find a pull-down bed that sleeps the other 2 remaining guests. Here's a storage bench, and underneath you'll find extra bedding and pillows for the pull-down bed. To open it, you just pull this bar down, and you have a full-size bed right here, and lighting automatically turns on when you lay it down here. There's a beautiful artwork here with Mickey, Pluto, and Chip and Dale. These kitchens come fully equipped with everything you need. In this drawer, you'll find some of the cooking utensils and spatulas. And underneath, you'll find your trash and recycling. You also have a full sink here, and sometimes when you're on vacation like me, you don't want to do the dishes, there's also this dishwasher here.
Right up here, you'll find your plates and cups and everything you need to eat. Then down here, your coffee pot, and also if you want a single coffee, you can use this. Then you have your silverware down here and pots and pans, perfect to make breakfast, lunch, and dinner. You really do have everything you need to make a perfect meal for your family here, including, of course, a stovetop, an oven, cutting boards here, which would be perfect for my husband, actually, because he loves to cook. So this is the perfect place for him and me. And as we make our way down this hallway, there is a sink right here that the whole family can use. Right under here, you will find a hairdryer. And now let's go walk into the bathroom. The bathroom is really, really light, airy, and of course spacious. You have a lot of space here. So this right here is the sink, and underneath you'll find a little stepping stool for your little ones. Then over here in this little cabinet, you'll find a broom, a vacuum cleaner, and up here, a steam iron. Then of course, the shower. The shower is really big, it's beautiful. You've got your shampoo, body wash, conditioner, and you will also find towels all over.
So this resort offers a lot of unique amenities like horseback riding, canoeing, kayaking, archery, and even fishing.
That's right. Or if you're anything like me, honestly, I would just bring a book and read while I watch the horses. I always like to plan at least one resort day when I'm staying on property, but when I'm staying here, I like to plan at least 2.
And one of the best activities here at the resort is trail riding here at Tri-Circle D Ranch. You can saddle up on a horse and just have fun. Just know that riders need to be at least 9 years old.
Yep, and there's not just one ranch, there's actually 2. So let's go check it out.
This is where they take care of all the horses that you see in the parks.
Oh, this is amazing. Look at
Here's
the horses.
Dragon and Buzz.
Buzz and
Griffin.
over there. I think Griffin's eating.
Oh, he must be hungry. Tri-Circle D Ranch offers pony rides for guests that are under 80 pounds and under 48 inches.
Oh, and super important to remember, they also have to be over 3 years old. This right here is an old school calliope, which is basically like a horse-drawn instrument.
You have an opportunity to get up and close with some of the horses here at Tri-Circle D Ranch.
Yeah, true. You can sometimes even catch them getting groomed, and there's over 90 horses on property. This right here is the Meadows swimming pool, a favorite for hot days. Just remember that you do have to bring your own towel in here.
It sure is a lot of fun here. Right at the steps of the slide, you'll also see the life jackets for the little kids.
And just behind this, there's a zero entry pool as well. There's so much seating here. You can just pop over and read a book, relax a little bit.
It's perfect for you to just sit down and you can watch your kids as they play in the playground there. My daughters love going up and down these slides here.
And there's more playgrounds all over the resort, and they even have basketball and volleyball. Right next to the pool, there's the arcade, but if you need something to eat, you can find snacks, entrees, and a lot of different things right here at the Meadows Snack Plot.
And don't forget the adult beverages, which is perfect for hot days when you're lounging by the pool and you just want to feel like you can cool down a bit.
And pro tip, you can also find soft serve ice cream here.
And just off the main pool is the aquatic play area. This is for guests that are 48 inches and under. And here you can get wet and go up and down the slide.
And parents can actually sit right there and watch their kids play.
Here at the Bike Barn is the center of all the recreational rentals and activities.
But I'm partial to yoga, and there's story time yoga too right here. And right behind us is where they set up archery, which you can practice for a nominal fee.
You can also rent some canoes and kayaks for a 30 to 45-minute paddling adventure here at the waterways of the resort. One of my family's favorite activities here at the resort is Chip 'n Dale's Campfire Sing-Along. Here you get to roast marshmallows along with Chip 'n Dale and get in that festive attitude and sing some fun campfire songs with them.
And you can also stick around for a movie under the stars.
And you can also do a guided bass fishing excursion here. Great for those father-son activities here on the lake. And this is Pioneer Hall, where Hoop-Dee-Doo musical Revue is.
A very lively, high-energy dinner show. It opened in 1974, and it is one of the longest-running shows in the United States.
The dining here is all you care to enjoy, so if you love fried chicken like me, make sure you save room. And don't forget the strawberry shortcake.
Here we are at Trails and Restaurants.
This is the quick service option that offers breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
So we're walking in and I can see that they have a pizza place. So if you're not a barbecue person, this will work out for you. They also have fruits and lots of pastries. These look amazing.
And if you're feeling a little tired, they also have some specialty coffee and an assortment of various beverages like soda and adult beverages. You'll also find some of your grab-and-go snacks here. I love the macaroni salad here. And they also have some family meals where you can pick up an assortment of proteins like fried chicken or some ribs, and also some sides like mac and cheese and some cornbread.
So family meals actually are enough for 2 people. So you can just grab your protein, grab your sides, and go. Don't forget, you can also mobile order at this location, and it's super easy too. So just head to your My Disney Experience app and click on the map. So you'll see we're right here, just click on dining. And then if you click on the little numbers right there, it'll zoom you in. You can see we're right here at Trails End Restaurant. Just click on the mobile order right there and begin your order. So I'll click an arrival window of now, but you can also pick whatever time you need. So let me click on that one right there. And then we'll head to entrees. So there's actually one that I really want to talk about, the settlement skillet. It includes everything they have basically. So fried chicken, ribs, pulled pork, mashed potatoes, basically everything.
And we just ate here, and I had the pulled pork sandwich, which was amazing. It has pulled pork that has been smoked for 10 hours, and it has that perfect combination of tangy and sweetness.
Yeah, that's right. There's also a lot of plant-based options, and you cannot forget desserts. Of course, we had one that I really liked. It was the strawberry shortcake. Amazing.
Yeah. Here at the lower end of Trails End Restaurant, you'll find Crockett's Tavern. You can also order drinks to go here, but this is a great place to unwind after a long day at the parks. One of my favorite drinks to get here is the Moonshine Margarita.
I really like the Enchanted Ember Lemonade, which has a little bit of hot honey in it, and it's a non-alcoholic drink. There are many ways to get to the theme parks, and one of them is by boat. You can actually catch a boat right here and go all the way to the Magic Kingdom.
And there's another route that takes you to the Wilderness Lodge and the Contemporary Resort. So you can park your golf cart right here and head to the bus stop to go to the theme parks.
Yes, and if you don't have a golf cart, you can also take advantage of the internal bus loop that will take you all throughout the resort.
If you want to do some shopping while you're here, you can head to Meadows Trading Post. They've got everything.
And it's right in the middle of the resort. Let's go take a look.
Let's go. Oh, it's so cute in here. It's like a little cabin, and you can see Mickey and Pluto.
Right? This is awesome. And this store has a lot of resort-specific merchandise, lots of Fort Wilderness stuff. I love this tote bag. I might grab it for my wife.
Honestly, I want the ears over there. Those are so cute for my collection. If you need a midday snack, you'll find it right here. They have everything.
And if you forgot everything you need to make meals at your campsite, they have everything from bread to eggs, bacon, even burgers to cook on the grill.
That's right. And if you forgot something for your RV, you'll find it right here as well.
Along with your collection of medicines in case you're not feeling too well, because sometimes that can happen.
It can. They even have your classic Mickey ice cream, which is a staple, you know that.
And if you want more of a hot treat, well, you can make some s'mores at your campsite. They have everything that you need to start that kit here, including the charcoal.
Fun.
Yeah. And right behind us is Settlement Trading Post, which is another store to catch any of your groceries or souvenirs.
Off to the side, there's a playground, and behind the Settlement Outpost, there's also a bike path or a pedestrian walkway. We had so much fun bringing you along with us today at Fort Wilderness Campground and Cabins. We did everything from showing you fishing, boating, kayaking,
The kinds of tent sites and campsites, as well as the cabins.
and merchandise, the pools.
And also dinner locations like Hoop-Dee-Doo Revue and Trails End Restaurant.
That's right. So if you have any questions about this particular resort or any questions about your next Disney vacation, visit us at PlanDisney.com.